All right, so this problem tells us we have to find the product of 58 and 37. 58 and 37 are called factors. Those are the numbers we're multiplying together. Many of you are looking at it right now going, this is so hard. Well, if you know your sevens and you know your threes, it's not difficult at all. But let's look at it a different way other than the standard algorithm, because I just showed you a problem with the standard algorithm. I can take this and decompose it. So the 5 is in what place? Tens place. That tells me I have 50. Okay? 50. The 8 is in what place? Ones place. So I have 8. And if I added 50 and 8, I would get 58. And there are different names for it. I don't know, area model, box method, whatever. The 3 is in what place? Tens. So this is going to be 30. And the 7 is in what place? The ones place. So it's just 7. Does everybody see how I put that together? It doesn't matter if one of the factors is 3 digits. The biggest you're going to have to do this year is 3-digit factors multiplied by 2-digit factors. Okay, and this is one way to do it. This is like we did our number talks, where we had the zeros, which make our lives easy. So what's 3 times 5? 15. 1,500. What's 7 times 5? 35. 1 0 there. 350. What's 3 times 8? 24. And I have the 1 0. And 7 times 8? 56. That was the most difficult part you had to do. Is 7 times 8 is 56. That was the most difficult altogether, was 7 times 8. Then all you would have to do is multiply these 4 products. Those are zeros, if Mr. McMurdo could write. Add these 4 products up. All you have to do to get your final product is add those 4 products up, and you should get the final answer. You should get the final answer. Let's do it. Don't have room over here. Let's do it another way. There is the lattice method. And I'm going to tell you right now, I don't care how you do it. I care that you get the right answer. And again, we only had to know 1 digit times 1 digit. That's it. 1 digit times 1 digit. I told you that at the beginning, that if you know your 1 digits, you're going to be able to do this. Now, sometimes I make little mistakes on this one, so you're going to have to watch me here. You're going to have to watch me here, make sure. How many of you have done the lattice method? Okay, so just a handful of you. All right, again, 1 digit by 1 digit. I will keep saying this. You can multiply and you can divide if you know your 1 digit by 1 digit. That's it. And you can do all the multiplication and you can do all the division. That's why I said those games, that video program, all of that stuff is going to help reinforce that if you know it. Now, 3 times 5 is 15. Tens place, ones place. 3 times 8 is 24. Tens place, ones place. 7 times 5 is 35. 7 times 8? 56. I'm going to say it again. We just multiplied 1 digit by 1 digit. That's all we did. Every single time. When we did it here, when we do it in the standard algorithm, and when we do it here, it's 1 digit times 1 digit. Every single time. Every single time. It's 1 digit times 1 digit. So now we just do each diagonal. This one, what's 6 plus nothing else? 6. This one we have 5, 5, and 4, which is, what's 5 plus 5? What's 4? 14. Remember, we can add in any order, and we have to carry the 1 up here. Now we have this 3, 5, 2, and 1. 11. 1 and 1.
2.
So we should get 2,146 if we did this right. Did I do it right? Let's check, because I often make mistakes, because I think this 37 should have been over here to do it
I
correctly.
think you still got it right.
Let's do 58 times 37. We're multiplying the same numbers. 7 times 8 is what?
56.
56. I have 56 ones, or 5 tens, 6 ones. 7 times 5 is?
5.
Plus 5 more?
40.
40. So 58 times 7 is 406. I just multiplied 58 times 7 and got 406. And we did it all in our head. We did it all in our head. You're looking at me crazy, Ella. Did I do something wrong?
No.
You're not Ella. You good for me to move on? Because if I made a mistake, y'all need to tell me.
No, but you did up in the box method.
Okay, but I'm not doing that right now. I'm doing the standard algorithm.
No, yeah. Did you do just 7 times?
Yes, I just did 7 times 8, and then 7 times 5, and I added what I regrouped. Okay, now I'm moving to the tens place. As I told you, we're not singing some silly song. We're starting in the tens place, so my first number needs to go in the tens place. So 3 times 8 is?
24.
24. 3 times 5 is?
15.
Plus 2 more?
17.
If I add those, I get 6, I get 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 2,146. I should get 2,146 as long as I did all my math right. 3 different ways to do it. No matter how you're doing it, you're only multiplying 1 digit times 1 digit every single time. So if you have any doubt in your head right now, and you're saying to yourself, at all, I'm not good at multiplication, you're telling yourself a lie, because all of you can do 1 digit by 1 digit. Every single one of you. Multiplication's not difficult. You just have to be able to do 1 digit by 1 digit. Questions? You may